Hi guys, Simon from Altegra. Today I'd like to show you a fantastic brand new product of ours, the Aluminium Folding 2.8 metre table. Fantastic for campers, fantastic for craft market people, fantastic for anyone. It's super strong, easy to clean, and is also heat resistant. Get yourself one of these today. So talking about some of the features of the aluminium table, as you can see, the legs are constructed from our 40mm ProLite frame that's been extremely successful for us. The fittings are nylon, and also the crossbars are the same extrusion as the marquees. Now the legs, what we've done, we've put in 5 different heights for adjustability in the legs, which we still use our pull ring system. And if we move up to the top of the table, what you'll see is the accordion style slats, which are easy to pop out. As you can see there, they come into sections. They're super easy to clean, they're heat resistant, and best of all, they're very, very strong. As I discussed before, this is the 2.8 metre aluminium folding table. The reason for the width is it fits perfectly between your 3x3 gazebo. It'll slide in between the legs and can be anchored to the ground. So there we have it guys, all packed up and ready to go. Thanks for watching the video.